Hello guys, come with me to where they sell Ikoko-Irin in Ibadan. Ikoko-Irin, what do they call it in English? This big giant iron pot for cooking of party jollof rice. And that big pot is really very big. They use it in cooking for party. So I'm taking you to where they sell these big pots in Ibadan. You know, I like showcasing anything that has to do with business that you can use, or you can find where they sell these things. So let's ride on as I take you down to the market, the area in Ibadan, and see for yourself. I'm trying to get a tricycle to take me to the market, though my house is very far from the market. So I'm just going to, I just said, let me tell you where we are going to today. Let me take you along as I embark on this market vlog. Today market vlog is not food, it's about Ikoko-Irin and some other petty things. So come along with me. I was approaching where they sell this Ikoko-Irin at Ogunpa market. So I saw this pepper. I was just like, this pepper is so fresh. I think I would need this pepper. So I decided to buy some pepper. We call this one bawa, and it goes for 100 naira. Then when I'm grinding my pepper, I love adding this spice to my pepper before I grind. So that's why I'm buying this garlic and I'm buying ginger. So how do I add it to my pepper? You know, some kids doesn't like taking all these things, so I add it to my pepper. So I have removed the dirt from my pepper. You can see it here. So what I will do, I will scrape the ginger, add it to the pepper that I'm about to blend. So I'll just scrape the body. You don't grind it with the skin, with the ginger skin. So I'll make sure I scrape the ginger skin. Then at the same time, I'm going to I'm going to remove that nylon-like that is covering the garlic. So I'm going to do that same to garlic. So though I don't add much, depending on the quantity of pepper, tomato, bawa combination, onions I'm grinding, I don't make my ginger and garlic so much. This place is very close to Dugbe Alawo. Dropping at Dugbe Alawo, just tell them you want where they sell iron pots. That is Ikoko-Irin. It's just a very close by. At Dugbe Alawo, they sell plates, breakable plates, souvenirs of different types of plates. You have your pots, you have your plastics in dozen price if you want to buy. And one thing about Ibadan market is they are very close to themselves. So you from Ogunpa, you get to Dugbe Alawo. From Dugbe Alawo, you get to this market. Now, this particular area, they make this aluminium oven. They make this charcoal pots, anything that has to do with steel, anything that has to do with steel production, baking pan. They make everything here. So you are not going to like just looking for where to buy. In fact, if you want the specific type of charcoal oven, you tell them and they are going to make it for you. But today we are looking at Ikoko-Irin. I was just trying to, because that place you have to just move around a bit to locate where they sell these pots. This pot is very big and they have different sizes. It comes in different sizes.
Size 40, 30,000.
I'm a copy original. This is the biggest iron pot, and the biggest size is size 40. And like she rightly said, that this size 40 goes for 30,000 naira. This is the big pot. This is the big size 40 pot, and it's, if you want to write your name on the pot so that people won't steal it, she said she can do it. They inscribe names on the pot.
A lot more wọlé 20,000.
ṣé mọ orúkọ tẹ máa kọ sílẹ̀ ń pè fún mi.
Bá a ṣe ń ṣe normal orúkọ ẹ̀sìn ni orúkọ yẹn wà fún.
And apart from size 40, it has size 30, 20, 10, 5. But this time around, I'm also going to show you the other one that is like a fry pan. This one with fry pan has a cover. And like she rightly said, she said it's 20,000 naira. So this is the fry pan that has cover, and this pot, it has different shapes, different sizes depending on the one you want to buy. It comes in different sizes and different shapes. They also have here the spatula and the big spoon. They are of different sizes and different prices. The thicker it is, the more the price. I'm having the big one here. Is going for the spoon and the spatula, each is going for 2,000, while the small one I'm holding is 1,000 naira, though it's smaller than the 2,000 naira, but it's very light, so I would prefer I go for the big one. So at the same time, we move to where they said the iron cooking gas. It has different phases. It has two. I've seen this is one, it has one, it has two. I've seen four, but the four is very small and they make it four. Now for this big, the double face is going for 35,000 naira. So I only concentrated on asking for the double face, the price, but if you are buying other sizes, you have it. So we just move down to, this is Dugbe Alawo, like I told you earlier. This is how Dugbe Alawo look like at this market. Anything cutlery, you can find it there. Though the initial starts, you can see some cosmetics, some clothes, but it's actually called Dugbe Alawo because for its the major thing they usually said there is plates, cutleries, and different kitchenwares. You can find them here. So let's take a look at what you can find at Dugbe Alawo in Ibadan. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my YouTube video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video. I like okra most times in my soup. So this okra is going for 100 naira. So I'm just trying to buy some okra to cook my soup. I'm at Ojaoba. Now, what's funny thing about this market in Ibadan is they link to themselves. So I moved from Dugbe Alawo down to Ogunpa, then down to Ojaoba. So it links with themselves. So sometimes when I want to buy food item, I would just need to take a tricycle from Ogunpa and get to Ojaoba because it's just like on the same axis. So this is Ojaoba. Just write in the comment section what you mix with your pepper to blend to make an healthy soup. You know, there are some children that don't want to eat ginger and garlic. So this is a just avenue for which I give my children. Write in the comment section the spice you add to your soup, your pepper, to give to your family. See you in my next video. Bye.